In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then scroll to hit voice typing over here. Voice input, and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you, Samsung or Google. Let's start with Samsung. I need to click on it, go back to my keyboard, and use this icon of a microphone at the bottom left corner. So when I click, I need to select while using the app, agree, and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you need to click on the same microphone. If you want to input Google One, go back to the same settings. Apply it by clicking on it. Go back. Click on microphone also at the bottom left corner and start typing. If you want to stop, you can pause or use this button. To manage voice typing options, hit this gear on the left. To delete text on the go, use this button on the right. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!